My name is John Applegate. Work for G&W Construction based out of Morehead, Kentucky. I've got about 7 years experience in the industry. We primarily work in underground construction, pipelines, gas lines, water lines, sewer, any underground utility. Today we're installing a 4-inch water line. G&W currently owns a Vermeer 40x55DR. They also have 40x55s, 2330s, and a 100 by 140. We do rock with those with air hammer and also conventional dirt. Today we're using a new 40x55DR. We're going to be in primarily hard limestone. In Kentucky you range from a lot of different types of soil conditions, rock conditions, from stuff that's really hard, really soft, stuff that turns into mush clay. You just unload it and complete your job. Dual rod technology is unsurpassed in the business in my eyes. Its versatility, you unload it off the truck, you drop it in the ground and you go and you complete your bore. There's no pulling out and changing heads or changing your pulling. The DR controls are just like a conventional dirt drill. They took all of the good qualities of the previous 3650 DR. They took all the good qualities out of the 40x55, combined the two drills. The versatility of this drill is unmatched.